Yeah, I'm on a remix out the flames like a phoenix. Got a dang good with brain and a plane full of Venus. I spend it cause I earn it, tossing green like a Kermit. Don't look at tags of purchase, all that drama don't concern me. My provisions in position to make you a proposition. I'm about that proposition, talking shit then I don't listen. I'm focused more than a laser on stacking and saving paper. I cut it up like a shaver, a saber, my damage major. Whip ain't got no check engine light on, I bet it idle fine. You talking smack, I bet I rap better on idle time. CD or vinyl, fine. You flowin' trying to step up to me, then you'll be leaving here with no vital signs. I got a head full of draw like where my eighth go. And I be I-44 doing AO. I'm in that super clean, doing some stupid things. Stacked up on TAC, I got some lucid dreams. I see you popping bands, I see you throwing money. I pull these bitches broke, that's why I find you funny. And if you try to find me, you'll need observatories. Cause I'm somewhere out in space, dodging purgatory. Don't need no cover story, ain't gotta tell no lies. And if you coming for me, just know it's ill-advised. Catch me in the Matrix, I pop the capture, sipping lean and smoking, got me stuck like a broken axle. Yeah, yeah, yeah.